Good morning, children. This is 9th standard biology ma. In this class, we learn about that animal tissue. Okay. In that previous class, what we learned ma? Plant tissue. You know that meristematic tissue, permanent tissue, then simple tissue, complex tissue, simple tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, then complex tissue, xylem and phloem. Okay, you know very well. It is in that plant. அந்த பிளான்ட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டிஷ்யூவை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். இன் திஸ் கிளாஸ் இந்த கிளாஸில் நம்ம எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா அனிமலில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டிஷ்யூஸ். ஓகேயாம்மா? அனிமலில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டிஷ்யூஸ் என்னென்ன டிஷ்யூஸ் இருக்குது, டிஷ்யூஸ் எப்படி கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் ஆகுது, எங்கே லொக்கேட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி, அதனுடைய ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த இதில் நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், படிக்கிறோம். Okay, do you understand ma? Okay ma, now we come to the lesson. Okay, so first, what is mean by tissue? Already I told group of cells. Yes, more types of cells held together to form with the extracellular material constitute that what ma? Tissue. Constitute the tissue. Okay, the study of tissue is known as histology. The study of tissue is known as histology. Okay, so define histology means what? The study of tissue. Tissue பற்றி நம்ம படிக்கிற அந்த ஸ்டடீஸ்க்கு தான் என்னதுன்னா ஹிஸ்டாலஜி. ஓகே, டிஷ்யூவை பற்றி படிக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஸ்டடீஸ்க்கு தான் பேர் ஹிஸ்டாலஜி. ஃபஸ்ட்டு we see that simple tissue. First we see the simple tissue. Group of cells. Simple tissue means a group of cells that are similar in origin. Group of cells that are similar in origin and form that structure and work together to perform a specific function perform a specific function. This is a simple tissue. The second one is a complex tissue. So tissue is classified into two types, simple tissue and a complex tissue. Simple tissue means group of cells similar origin and form the structure, work together to perform a specific function. Okay, so that is called a simple tissue. Then complex tissue. Complex tissue means group of cells, the same group of cells, different structure. Group of cells different in their structure and function. Structure and function, different structure and function, and but coordinate to perform the specific function Okay, yeah? So this is called a complex tissue. This is called a complex tissue. Group of cells different in their structure and function but coordinate to perform a specific function. This is called a complex tissue. Then simple tissue, compound tissue. Not a complex, it is a compound tissue. Okay ma? Compound tissue. Next, that animal tissue, it can be grouped into 4 basic types. So on the basis of their structure and function, எதை அடிப்படையாக வச்சு அதை டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனை வச்சு. ஸோ அனிமல் டிஷ்யூ கேன் பி கிளாசிஃபைட் இன்டு 4 பேசிக் டைப்ஸ். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த எபித்தீலியல் டிஷ்யூ. The second one is the connective tissue. The third one is the muscular tissue and fourth one is the nervous tissue. Okay ma? 4 tissue. That animal tissue, the animal tissue can be classified into 4 types: epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and also nervous tissue. First I explain that epithelial tissue. So this epithelial tissue is a simplest tissue. It is a simplest tissue. It is composed of one or more layers covering that external surface of the body and also internal organs. External surface of the body and also cover the internal organ also. Which tissue? Epithelial tissue. Okay, epithelial tissue. So this tissue cover the body and also internal organs. The cells are arranged very closely. Cells are arranged very close. Okay, Amma. So very close to each other with less extracellular material. So the extracellular material also very less. Okay, Amma. Then that epithelial cells, it is a non-cellular basement membrane. It is a non-cellular basement membrane. Okay, yeah, non-cellular basement membrane. So it lacks, this epitheliums mostly lacks blood vessels. Blood vessels. Okay, yeah, lack na without blood vessels. Okay, so that epithelium is separated by that underlying connective tissue. The epithelial tissue எதனால separate பிரிக்கப்படும்? Connective tissue. So which provide it nutrients. இது வந்து எதை கொடுக்குது? It gives the nutrients. Provide the nutrients. Okay, amma. So this are two types. This epithelial cells are two types. So that is simple and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium, first tissue two types, simple tissue and compound tissue. Then that epithelial the animal tissue can be classified into four types. That is epithelial, connective, muscular and nerve tissue. In this epithelial tissue classified into two types, simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium, it is a composed a single layer of cell. Okay, then it is resting on a basement membrane. எதில் இருந்து basement membrane resting ல இருக்கும். Then compound epithelium, it is composed of several layers of cell. Compound epithelium, it is several layers of cells. Okay, several layers of cells. Only the cells of the deepest layers only rest on the basement of the membrane. Deepest layers only rest on the basement of the membrane. Rest on the basement of the membrane. Okay, the deepest layer only rest on the basement membrane ல இருந்து விட்டு இருக்கும். The deepest layer only. Okay, amma.